Okay, we are going to do a quick review of the mandala. Your mandala should be a new file where you will create something that is at least 8 by 8 inches. It could be bigger. 300 resolution. I do want it to be square, so the width and the height have to be the same. Name it your name, mandala, and you're good to go. So here we have our new mandala. We are going to put pictures in here by going File, Place. That's really important. File, Place is how we get our pictures. So I'll pick a picture that's on my desktop and I'm just going to place it just to show you. And remember, you can make this smaller or bigger. Here, while it has this X around it, you can hold Shift to make it smaller or bigger to constrain the proportions. I like to keep my picture nice and big, and when you're done you can place the file. If you try to go somewhere else, it's going to ask you to place it. So you either hit, as always when using transform or placing, you always hit enter or escape. Alright, I'm going to grab my polygon lasso tool and click a point, and then click another point, click another point, and click another point. You could be creating a diamond or a rectangle or whatever you want to use to repeat. So with this shape that I've created with my polygon lasso tool, and I always have to close it, click right back at the beginning, I'm going to do Command J. After Command J, you can see my computer's thinking. It appears in a new layer. So if I turn off the layer that I placed there in the first place, I have my triangle. Now I have to do Edit, Transform, or I can just do the free transform, which is a shortcut of Command T. So when I have this box on here, again, I can hold Shift down and constrain my proportions, or I can make it very long and skinny, and I can rotate it and get it in its place. This is the basis for what you're going to be doing as you continue working on your mandala. I do want you to fill up the entire square with pattern created from at least 3 photographs. Once you get this where it's supposed to be, you hit enter or return or escape if you don't like it. If you press escape, it will go back to its original thing. If you hit Command T again, you can try again and make it smaller. If you like what you've done to it, then you hit return. Okay? That is the basis. You will possibly copy this layer again and place it in another spot by doing Command J and using your move tool to move this to another spot. Maybe you want it to be directly across. You could do Command T again and rotate it. And eventually you're going to have to add some more photos in so that you can create a pattern. And again, to add another photo in, at this point, you're going to go to File, Place. Okay, that's a quick review.